Yo. So during some point in their life, you must have witnessed a Jamaican woman a cuss out somebody else. And they have certain things with them do. You know, you have the little bobblehead thing with them do. The neck ringing and all them stuff. Fuck. Then you have the fool and a stamp foot. You will see them do the hand gestures. Oh, she a chat to. Oh, I could me. Oh, she a chat to. And them have this thing with them do where them go on like the word hot. And when them attack, them have to eat up the word them. Move first I go chat to me, girl. Move first I go them have to spread with them out to, you know. Hot. But the most interesting part of Jamaican women, when them a cuss out somebody, is the way how them talk. The adjectives, the comparisons, the metaphors, the similes they use, and the way how them use certain things to lead into a this. They are insane. For example, go and get your body coming like Portmore Toll Road. Everybody pass through. Make Patsy move from your son go a chat about my wig. This a 100% human ear. She a chat after me never know say baboon ear make wig. You know say a monkey wig she a wear. Cup on your face it look like somebody catch up the flesh on your neck back. Check her neck back if I run through the pan it. Come on make her face look so. Move dirty boy at least me am a picking. I know my fault make your lieutenant now stand at attention and your soldier them now march. Hello, kindly take away yourself. Bought me ugly, you know, say oh me look like Magger. You know, say oh me look like Ali Berry. Look on you with your hog pen face, your face look like hog walla in it. Yam heel nose, shovel teeth, jumping jack yai. Yeah, them a do apart together. So you me attack. Me know you can hear me with them big old rabbit ears there. Move your tough like your man say your meat one pressure. He want tenderize. Look like I'm gonna let me pressure cooker for pressure that head tough body there. Him say when him a touch you is like him a rub down piece or two before. Move on ya so your head look like when baby chicken just a spring feather. Some girl coming like DHL, UPS and FedEx. I be a box them I get. Why? Then watch her about she at work now. Her ass look like when Hurricane Ivan passed through. Everything flat. Fly down and pitch drunk cause today we are gonna say oh big and stink. Make them go and chat about me na at again. But me a sweet pepper. At least this a sweet pepper look at. The whole of them coming like a big old tomato feed. Them no nowhere near at. Not chatting on my face with your trench mouth. Your big wheel tongue. Natural disaster breath. Hold on. Hello NEPA. I would like to report a case of pollution. Where it is? In a cracky heel Patrice mouth. Shut up mountain nose. Move the mountain out of the way. Me get the chat to your solid waste agency face. Some gal a contradiction. Because them a campaign for protect nature and a mash up nature at the same time. Heal the world because them armpit evergreen. Move on yes and a chat to me vending machine body because them and them just put in $1 and get anything with them want. Every man there with a reason because your postage your position can't fill. Oh she a chatter and her two breasts them look like queens or done toothless. See them like how your breasts them are licking at your kneecap or something are licking at your face if you go and chat. The way how she green she probably can photosynthesize. Me as my friend me ask you something. I make Pauline look like she have jaundice in her mouth. The whole her teeth them just yellow so. Yo this is Kevin too crazy. Like this video, share this video with your friends. You know what I mean? Share the laughter. Think it, believe it and live to achieve it. But there I'm Kevin and I've heard that sound can laugh. Yes man.